Have you ever needed unique visitor counts for a huge site, millions of IDs, without paying millions of IDs worth of memory? A Redis set can do it exactly, but every member is stored. HyperLogLog answers a softer question about how many uniques with a tiny fixed sketch. An exact set stores every unique ID. You can count with scard and list members. HyperLogLog stores a probabilistic summary only. You get an estimate. You cannot list who is counted. If finance needs exact pairs, use a set or a database. If a dashboard needs live unique visitors, HyperLogLog fits. PFADD sends visitor IDs into the sketch. The ID is observed, then discarded. It is not stored as a set member. Add user 1, estimate about 1. Add user 2, estimate about 2. Add user 1 again, duplicate. Estimate stays about 2. PFCOUNT reads that estimate. The sketch stays about 12 kilobytes even when cardinality is huge. Typical standard error is about 0.81%. 10 million uniques might read a little under or over. That is excellent for charts. Do not bill customers from this number. PFCOUNT can take several keys. That estimates unique users across those pages as if you unioned the sketches, without building one giant set in memory. Useful for site-wide unique visitors when each page has its own daily sketch. PFMERGE writes a combined sketch into a destination key, for example daily sketches into one week key. Later PFCOUNT on the week key reads the rollup. Use this for reporting pipelines and regional sketches combined into a global view. On each request, PF add the user into that day's sketch. The key stays small. At midnight start a new dated key. Charting jobs call PFCOUNT. Optional PFMERGE builds weekly rollups. Pair with bitmaps when you also need exact yes or no presence. Ads care about reach, how many unique people saw the campaign. PFADD on each impression. PFCOUNT gives unique reach. Merge creatives into an overall campaign sketch. You will not get the user list back from HyperLogLog. Keep a warehouse if you need retargeting IDs. There is no membership test. You cannot ask if a user was seen. You cannot list uniques. You cannot remove one user cleanly. You cannot prove an ID was observed. If you need those operations, HyperLogLog is the wrong tool. Use a set, a bitmap with dense offsets, or an analytics store. Choose HyperLogLog for unique visitors, unique queries, unique IPs, and campaign reach. Choose sets when cardinality is modest or you need exactness in membership. Choose bitmaps when IDs map to dense integers and you need exact bit presence. Avoid these traps, treating PFCOUNT as exact in financial reports, using HyperLogLog when you later need the user list, observing raw request UUIDs when you meant user IDs, leaving daily keys forever, comparing merged rollups without documenting how they were merged. Here is what to remember. HyperLogLog estimates unique counts with about 12 kilobytes and roughly 0.81% error. PFADD observes, PFCOUNT estimates, PFMERGE rollups. Multi-key PFCOUNT estimates unions. Never use it when you need members or exact billing. Next lesson, Redis Geo.